Welcome everyone. Welcome to our discussion season. As you are all aware, the topic of our discussion today is about lowering the age for a D-car driving license to 16. In our discussion today, we have Jason, Dominic, and Andy as our participants, and I, Tiffany, hi, will be the host for our discussion today. Okay, Jason, would you like to begin?
Thank you, Tiffany. I agree about driving license should be lowered to 16 years old, the same as motorcycle. I strongly believe that lowering the age will empower young people to join independence earlier and enable them to participate more fully in their communities at 16. Many teens are already taking our responsibilities. Granting them a driving license will also help them develop important life skills such as the time management and design making, while learning to drive responsibility under guidance.
Okay, how about you, Dominic?
Mm, while I understand the desire for independence, I worry that many 16 years old may lack the maturity needed to handle the complexities and responsibilities that come with driving a car. Statistics show that younger drivers often have higher accident rate, and we must prioritize safety on our road. Lowering the age could ultimately lead to increased risk and more accidents, which could have severe consequences for both the driver and other on the road.
Oh, I see. Very interested. How about you, Andy?
Okay. In my experience, I see the potential benefits uh, of lowering the age, particularly in encouraging more young people to learn safe driving practice in a structured environment. If we provide proper educational programs and support, it could lead to more responsible drivers who understand the rules of the road. Plus, aligning the car driving age with motorcycle license creates consistency in regulation, making it easier for young people to navigate the rules as they transition from one vehicle to another.
Speaking for myself, furthermore, the benefit of lowering the age limit for obtaining a license are numerous. For example, if our parents or siblings are in pain, we can take them to nearest hospital by car because we already have a license. Next, another advantage of lowering the license age limit is that we can spend quality time with our family by going out for drive together.
Sorry, but however, I think that the potential for increased accident is a major concern that cannot be ignored. Additionally, not all communities are equipped to handle the influx of drivers without adequate support system, such as driving course and safety program. We might
I'm
be
sorry for
setting them up
interrupting you, Dom.
for okay.
In my opinion, allowing 16 years old to drive could significantly reduce transportation challenge for families, especially in rural areas where public transportation is limited. Furthermore, starting driving education at a younger age can help instill good habits, making them more cautious drivers as they grow older. That's all from me.
Okay. Okay. Before we end our discussion, as we conclude today's discussion, I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to each member of the team for your valuable insight and contribution. Your dedication and collaboration are what drive our success.
Thank you.
Okay, that's all from our team.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you.